Does it have your name on it?
Yo, Naor, we should make a video on that. You want to do that? Make like like the difference between the cool directors and the non-cool directors, the ones that have the director's chairs and the ones that don't.
Yo, where's this director at?
Hi guys! Hey! How's it going? Are you guys excited? We're gonna shoot you guys today. We're taking a big feature film.
Wait, is that your chair?
Yeah, isn't it cool? It's perfect, huh?
Yeah, no, I'm not having somebody like that.
Wait, what?
No, we're out.
Hey, wait, where were you guys all going?
Sorry, you're not a real director.
What's wrong with my chair? Oh, wow. Yo, it's our new director's chair. Super excited. Yo, Naor with the chair. Look at that, bro. Director's chair. You can't be a director without a director's chair. Right? Mayor? You agree? Look at this thing. This is the part. We're going to open this up. We'll see what it looks like. Oh. It's such a difference when you're directing and you have a director's chair and when you don't.
I guess now.
Oh, gnarly!
Look what we got.
This is the best part. Finish taking off the plastic.
Are you B-rolling this? Nice! I just got a new director's chair. Come on, I'm never puzzled. Having technical difficulties. Gorgeous chair. Are you part of the crew? Yeah. Are you part of the crew? Are you part of the crew?
Yeah.
Okay, so Moey's part of the crew.
I have cameras everywhere just filming me.
Wow, and we got music in the background. Hey, who's this?
In the studio.
Mayor Elin! Part of the crew, part of the crew?
Yep.
You part of the crew? Part of the crew? All
Yes!
Right. Woohoo! Nice addition to the Stoods. Who's this? What's your name?
Burger.
What, Dovey Burger?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so nice to meet you, Dovey Burger. Are you with us or against us?
I'm with you.
You part of the crew?
Yeah, I'm part
you
of
part of the crew?
Part of the
Part of the crew?
Off the
Part of the crew?
Part of the
Hey,
team.
off the phone!
Are you going to be part of the team? You with us or against us? That's our question.
I'm with you.
You're with us. All right, pound it.
What?
Wait.
Yeah.
You're either with us or against us.
Yes, I'm with you guys.
Okay. Are you going to shove us a Vita Man? Are you going to shove us a Vita Man? Shove us a Vita Man. Live.
anymore.
Famous. You're a famous movie actor, man.